I want you to imagine something. You decide today is the day you are gonna build an AI agent. You open Google and type best AI agent tool, and you immediately see N8N, Make.com, CrewAI, AutoGPT, Microsoft Copilot, LangChain, Zapier, Flowise, AutoGen, Agent GPT, and you close the laptop. That's the problem. There are too many options and almost nobody is giving you straight answer about which should you actually use. Which should you actually start with? Today I'm going to fix that. 5 tools, honest breakdown, real pricing, and at the end, a clear and a simple decision framework that tells you in 30 seconds exactly which tool is yours. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vrushal and we are building something real here every single day. Before we start, there are two categories you need to understand. Not all of these tools are same type. Category 1 contains automation tools with AI edition. These are tools that are originally built from workflow automations, connecting apps, triggering actions, running processes. They have added AI capabilities on top. N8N and Make.com are in this category. Category 2 are True Agents Framework. These are built on ground up to handle AI reasoning, autonomy, and multi-step decision making. CrewAI, AutoGPT, and Microsoft Copilot Studio are in this category. Now, let's look at each category and each one of the tools. Tool 1, N8N. N8N has over 150,000 GitHub stars, making it one of the most starred automation projects in the world. It has 40 plus app integrations, and the key thing that separates it from everything else is you can self-host it completely free. That means your data never leaves your computer. For anyone who cares about privacy, a freelancer, a startup, a developer, this is huge. The AI capabilities are genuinely strong. You can embed a language model, Claude, GPT, Gemini, and a node inside any workflow. And Microsoft recently announced a direct integration between N8N and their Agents 365 platform, which means N8N agents can now operate inside Teams, Outlook, and Word with proper corporate identity. If we talk about pricing, so it's free if self-hosted. And if we talk about cloud version, it starts from $20 per month. So who is it for? It's for technical beginners who want power and control. My honest take about N8N is, it's a tool I recommend to everyone who watches this channel. It's free, powerful, and the community is massive. If you only learn one tool from this video, learn this one. This is the best one, and it's free too. Make.com, and I would say it's the beginner's best friend. It is visually most initiative automation tool on the list. If N8N feels slightly technical, Make.com feels like playing with Lego. Everything is drag and drop. You can create what they call scenarios. Scenarios is visual workflows where each bubble is an app or an action. The free tier gives you 1000 operations per month, more than enough for a beginner learning the ropes. They have over 1500 app integrations, which beats N8N's 400. You can call any LLM API as a module inside your scenario, which means you can build basic agents that fetch data, process it with AI, and push results somewhere else. If we talk about pricing, so it's free up to 1000 ops per month, and paid starts with $9 per month. So, who is it for? It's for completely non-technical beginners, business owners who want quick wins without any technical setup. People who want to automate their personal life, social media, email calendar without touching a single line of code. So it's for them. Make.com is automation first, AI second. And my honest take on this Make.com is start here if N8N intimidates you. Many professionals use both Make.com for simple and quick automations and N8N for heavier agent work. If we talk about our third tool, which is CrewAI. CrewAI is where the things get really interesting. This is not an automation tool. This is a true multi-agent orchestration framework. The whole philosophy of CrewAI is, instead of one AI trying to do everything, you define a team of agents, each with a specific role, a specific goal, and specific tools. You might define a research agent, a writing agent, an editing agent, and a publishing agent. CrewAI coordinates them. One agent's output becomes another's input until the full task is done. Here are the numbers. 44,000 GitHub stars and growing fast. If we talk about pricing, then the free plan includes 50 workflows execution per month. If we talk about professional, it starts with $25 per month or 100 executions. If we talk about who it is for, so it's for intermediate users who have already built a basic AI agent and want to go deeper. Content creators who want to automate complex pipelines, research, write, edit, it's for them. Small businesses who want to replace manual multi-step processes with AI agents team, it's for them. And if we talk about who it's not for, so it's not for complete beginners. The setup requires understanding how agents communicate, how to define roles precisely, and how to handle handoffs when one agent's output doesn't match the next agent's expected format. Get comfortable with n8n and make.com first and then move to CrewAI. Now let's move to our fourth tool, which is AutoGPT. AutoGPT started it all. When it launched, it was first tool to show the world what a truly autonomous AI agent could look like, and it went viral overnight. 1,65,000 GitHub stars, the largest community of any agent tool on the list. And for good reasons, AutoGPT's core idea is deceptively simple. You give it a goal, a single sentence. For example, research the top 10 competitors in Indian edtech market and compile a report, and AutoGPT decides how to achieve the goal on its own. It creates subtasks, executes them one by one, checks the result, adjusts, and the loop until it's done. No instructions from you along the way. If you talk about pricing, so it's free to self-host and only to pay for API calls to the AI model. Roughly 50 cents for a few dollars per complex task, depending on the model you use. But I want to give a warning here. AutoGPT can burn API credits fast if you are not careful. So I would say always set spending limits when you use it. So if we talk about who it is for, so it's for experimenters, builders who want to push the limits of what's possible, research tasks, competitive analysis, anyone who wants to see fully autonomous AI in action, it's for them. AutoGPT is still the most experimental tool on the list. It's brilliant when it works and frustrating when it doesn't. So my honest take on this tool is, don't start here. Build a few workflows in n8n first. Come to AutoGPT when you understand the fundamentals and want to explore the frontier. If we talk about our last and final tool, which is Microsoft Copilot Studio. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a completely different league in terms of scale and enterprise reach. 1,200 plus pre-built connectors, deep integration in Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, Word, Excel. Low code setup means you can describe what you want your agent to do, and Copilot Studio builds it. And now it supports multi-agent systems. Microsoft just rolled out AI agents to Windows 11. And Copilot Studio is the platform that enterprises use to build those agents for their own teams. If you talk about pricing, then this is where it gets expensive. Enterprise plan starts with $200 per month per use, or even $30 per session capacity unit. This is not a tool for individuals or small teams. It's for the companies that are already inside the Microsoft ecosystem. IT teams, enterprise professionals whose company have an Office and 365 license and who wants to deploy AI agents company-wide. It's worth knowing it exists, even if you never build with it yourself. If you talk about who it's not for, so it's not for anyone in a corporate Microsoft environment, beginners, or anyone on a budget. So my honest take on this tool is, you will probably never build with Copilot Studio yourself unless you are an enterprise. But you will interact with agents built on it at work. Knowing how it works makes you a smarter employee and a sharper job candidate. So now let me save you from overthinking this with a simple decision tree. Ask yourself 3 questions. Question 1. Are you a complete beginner with no technical background? If yes, then make.com is the answer for you. Start with make.com this week. Build 3 automations, then move to n8n. Question number 2. Do you want to build agents that have real autonomy and you are comfortable with a small learning curve? If yes, then n8n is the tool. This is the sweet spot of 90% people watching this channel. And question number 3. Do you want to build a team of agents that work together on complex tasks and you have built at least one basic agent? If yes, then CrewAI is the solution for you. So my final verdict is, if you're watching this channel starting from 0 in 2026, here's the path for you. In week 1, you should start with make.com and build 3 basic automations. In week 2, start with n8n, rebuild the same automations, add an AI brain. And then, as soon as you go forward to next weeks and next months, start with CrewAI and AutoGPT. In CrewAI, build your first multi-agent pipeline and then start with AutoGPT. Now you have a complete roadmap that would take most people's almost 6 months of Googling to piece together. And you have got that everything in 15 minutes. Comment below and tell me which of these 5 tools are you going to start with. Or if you have any questions, do mention in the comment section. I'll reply to each and every comment. Like this video if the comparison actually helped you. That's exactly what this channel is here for. And do subscribe to our channel for more AI agents content. See you tomorrow.